we will make a workshop registration in a Google form, and we will send free certificate in an Autocrat add-on. Let's see. In the Gmail account, we will show the grid line. In this, we will go to the Google Forums, and Google Forums have a template for making different forms. So we will take a contact information form, and now we will change the name of the contact information form. We will write the workshop registration form. Just write workshop registration. And now we will give the workshop registration name. Just click this. In the form description form, we will write this registration for the workshop, which was a detail, and unnecessary columns we will delete this email, because email will be sent automatically, will come automatically. Then phone numbers, we don't need it now. We were just taking name and email in this workshop registration. It's a short workshop registration form. Then we go to the responses. Here, accepting responses we have to on for the Google Forums. It's a necessary step. Then we go to the setting, and then put a limit to one response to uncheck and collect emails. So by default it will collect email. And if respondent request, then we will go to the presentation, and we will change the confirmation message. That was the thanks for registering, because it's a workshop registration. So we will write thanks for registering, which will show to the users who will register this. And then we will save, and then just click preview, and we will show the workshop registration form. And here we will check. In the send form, we will try to send this email, this Google registration form to my email, for just checking whether it is going or not. And in the short URL link, we will shorten the URL of the Google forum, and we will try to send it in a draft or in a mail. So we'll copy in a mail, and just put this in a new mail, and just click if you want to send someone this Google form link, or you can make a big message, and then this Google registration form link to your participants. We can also make this for feedbacks also. And our workshop registration form complete with an email and name, and comment we can add or we cannot, it's up to us. So now we will try to send this, try to register in this registration. Just type your email address, it's mine, and you will type your yes, we have to write full name here. We can opt anyone, first name, last name, full name, but I will write full name because in my certificate I have taken the tag full name. So I will write here full name. Just edit it and then just refresh it. We'll see our full name here. And now we will see in this form link, copy the form link and try to see that whether it's working or not. We will copy it and see that this is working. Fine. Okay. Workshop registration form. Now it's loading. Yeah. Write it my name. And now we will submit it. Here you see the workshop registration and the informal message is coming. Thanks for registering now. Here we see responses and we see it's already coming, my response. We can check question and we can put also in a summary. We will see one response is coming. So because we have registered, so one response is coming in a Google form. Now we will create a spreadsheet, and this will come with my email and ID because I have only registered in now. Currently I have registered here, so it's coming my email ID and my full name. Now we will go for getting the add-on of that Autocrat. Autocrat will come in the Google Worksheet add-on form. Here we will see this is a free Autocrat software, and from this we can send free certificates. We will install it, just continue, uh, just submit, okay, verify it with your email because you are sending with your email, you are the host. So just click it, verify it, it will say for allow, just allow it, and then continue. Now AutoCAD has been installed and it will show that it will show in the add-ons of the spreadsheet. Now open, import, get user key and help. We will just open it and then we will use. Now first of all, for sending the certificate, we will have to make some participation certificate template. So we will also create, we can also create it in a slide, in a Google slide presentation, which is also free. So I will show you a little bit how to create that presentation template. Not presentation, actually it's a certificate template, but we will make it in a Google presentation slide, and this slide we will send it. Just a minute, I will show you the how to create in a template. Select the template themes from the template, you whatever you choose, whatever you want, and yeah, just put it. So I have selected this. You can also select if you want some other. Just click certificate of participation and you can create with the text and different functionalities given, whatever you want, whatever the text you can write. So this is, you can create it like this. It's just a text field and logo and signature. These are the main three things. So after that, whatever you want you can put in this template. Just put it, signature, and I have given a topic name, some social, infographic designing. Now, full name is important because that should be the same tag which you have put in a workshop registration. It is, this is the most important thing. You have to put the same tag because it will auto sending the email and auto coming the name of the people. So you have to put the same column name or tag in the certificate for sending. This is the most important step for sending single certificate to the multiple using a Autocrat software. So now we will send it, save it in a slide, and now we will go to the add-on and put start the Autocrat, open it. It's opening. Now, new job. We'll create a new job and we will give the job name as certificate because it's a certificate. So we will give the job name as certificate, and then next, and then we will select the recently used template. We can select it from the drive which certificate of participation will be created in a slide. So we will select from there, certificate recently created, and then next, and then just see form responses. From the form responses spreadsheet, it's coming, already coming full name mapped to the columns full name, and it's showing in the tags full name. So that should, we have to select the same full name because we have to take that name in the certificate. Then next, then file name we will just copy the email address from this clipboard. We will copy it and then control V, we will paste it here, and then we will take the certificate because it's candidate name and certificate should come. In the type, we will select PDF and multiple output classroom mode because it can be PDF, it can be anything. Now select the choose your destination folder. I select my default my drive. By default my drive here. You can select anyone, but I'm selecting just by default. Then click to next. You can set different merge conditions, different dynamic folder if you want to. Uh, if you want to any give some conditions, you can do. Now we will share the docs as PDF. You will create it yes because we have to send it to the persons. So we will create it PDF. Allow collaborators to share no. Send from generic no reply address no. Now we will in the to tag we will copy the email address because we have to select the email address whether it's 100 participant or 50 participant. It will go auto to the email. So we have to select email tag. Then we have to type in subject whatever the subject you want to show to the user or to the participant. We will create certificate of workshop or participation in the workshop and just write your message. Thanks for registering in the workshop. Thanks for attending the workshop. It's a participation certificate. You can also make a certificate for the speakers, which was thanks for registering. You can also segregate your participation certificate as a certificate for participants, certificate for registration person, resource person, speakers. Thanks for registering in the workshop. Just a simple message which will go. Just type this message. And thanks and regards. And write your signature. And just now next. This is the whole process. And now click next. And it should be by default no, and then save. It's showing saving the job certificate. Now you have to just run the certificate. The run click, run. When you run, it will auto send whatever how the email IDs you have in the spreadsheet. I have two. If you have 100, it will send to the 100 people. It will take them time to send 100 people, but it will send to the 50 people or 100 people. Now it's showing to me that certificate has been created and sent to two people. Now I'll show how the certificate look like. It will look like just link to the merge docs column, and it will show certificate look like this, and it has sent to the participant in their mail IDs. It's a free e-certificate format. Now you can add any number of participants here and this will send, but it has a limit. It will take some time if you have more number of participants. So it's a simple e-certificate which you can send freely to the your participants for workshop, for when you create any workshop and you have to send the participant to the certificate to the participant, so you can send it.